Assalamu-Alaikum, dear friends and viewers. How is everyone doing today? I sincerely hope that each and every one of you is doing well and enjoying good health and happiness. Before we dive into the exciting content of our video, we would like to kindly ask for your support in helping us grow our community. It would mean a lot to us if you could take a moment to like our video, share it with your friends and family, leave a thoughtful comment with your feedback, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. In this particular video, we are thrilled to present an informative tutorial on the simple and convenient process of ordering a new mobile SIM card online. We highly recommend considering STC SIM cards for your mobile needs, particularly the Jawwy and Sawa options, as they are known for their robust network coverage and reliable service. In the coming segments, we will specifically guide you through the process of how to order a Jawwy SIM card online. The reason we advocate for Jawwy is that their mobile plans are not only significantly cheaper, but also incredibly affordable, ensuring that everyone can access the telecommunication services they need without breaking the bank. As we walk you through the step-by-step process in this video, you'll first want to open your Chrome browser and type in Jawwy in the search bar. Once you hit enter, you should see the Jawwy Telecom website listed as the first link in the search results. Go ahead and click on that link to access the website. From there, take a moment to browse through and select your preferred mobile plan that suits your requirements. And once you've made your choice, simply click on the checkout option. You'll be required to fill in a few essential details such as your mobile number, along with your Iqama ID number or national ID number, depending on your status. Make sure to choose a convenient delivery location for your new SIM card. And just like that, your order will be successfully placed. Once again, we humbly request you to support our channel by subscribing and engaging with our content through likes, comments, and shares. Additionally, we would love to hear your suggestions on what videos you would like us to create next. So please don't hesitate to let us know in the comments section below. Thank you so very much for your time and support.